Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to try to make a quick video here on my new katana. I absolutely love it. It is really nice. I got this one off of Katana or True Katana. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. This was in the aluminum non-sharpened section of the website, more the cosplay, Comic-Con, dress up, your favorite character, and have something that looks pretty real. So far, there's not any kind of looseness. Everything is pretty tight to spec. I think this was very well priced. This was $135, $139, somewhere around in there. Very good price. I think where they did skimp out on the price was a plastic sheath. I don't have a problem with that. I would rather have them go a cheaper sheath than go cheaper on the actual thing that I'm going to be competing with or testing with. So very good weapon. I might do a longer video on this, but right now I just wanted to keep it under 2 minutes. So truekatana.com, check the links in the description. If you have any questions, comment, and I'll answer them the best I can. Till next time, guys, train hard, train smart, and I'll see you then.